Hello, my students. This is Lewis the Librarian with your quick tech tip of the day. Hello, my students. Have you ever had a situation where you're trying to read an article and the text is just too small? Well, I'm going to show you a keyboard shortcut that should help you. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen right now and demonstrate. Here we go. So here we are on the NASA's website, and we're trying to read an article about the International Space Station, but the text is really small. So how do you fix that? So if you keep your finger on the control button on your keyboard and use your other finger to tap on the plus sign, it'll allow you to zoom in, just like that. But if it gets too large and you need to make it smaller, just go ahead and keep your finger on the control button and tap on the minus sign. Tap, tap, tap. And it's as simple as that. It works for our multiple programs you might be using, whether you're doing Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or any other type of program like that. But this is very useful when you're trying to read an article online and you need to zoom in, you don't know how. So I hope this is helpful to you. Share it with anybody that might appreciate this, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. If you like what you see here, make sure to hit the subscribe button on my channel and check out my other links on my link tree featured in the description below or on the profile page of my social media accounts. See you soon.